Organic Worm Castings by Soto here, and we're at Thompson's Building Materials. I thought I'd take you along this beautiful Wednesday morning. So here's some nice sculptures. Those are hardscape. So here's some nice pattern of pavers. So here we are under the cabana waiting for our bags of pebbles. Anyway, thanks for joining me on this little short tour of Thompson's Building Materials. Organic Worm Casting saying have a great day. Bye for now.